Welcome back to our gardening and farming channel where we explore the fascinating world of plants and their unique characteristics. Today we have a special treat for you as we delve into the enchanting world of cotton candy mint. Join us as we discover its history, description, growing conditions, companion planting, and various uses. Cotton candy mint is a delightful and fragrant herb that adds a touch of sweetness to your garden. It is a hybrid variety of mint created by crossing different mint species. Growing cotton candy mint is relatively easy, making it a popular choice among gardeners. It thrives in moist, well-drained soil and prefers partial shade to full sun. This herb is known for its vigorous growth and spreading habit, so it's best to plant it in containers or use barriers to prevent it from taking over your garden. Companion planting with cotton candy mint can offer several benefits. It repels certain pests such as aphids and mosquitoes, while attracting beneficial insects like bees and butterflies. Planted alongside vegetables like tomatoes and peppers can help deter pests and improve pollination. The uses of cotton candy mint are as delightful as the name suggests. Its leaves have a distinct sweet aroma and flavor reminiscent of cotton candy or bubble gum. You can use the leaves to infuse teas, create flavorful syrups, or add a unique twist to desserts like ice cream and baked goods. In addition to its culinary uses, cotton candy mint also offers potential health benefits. Mint has been traditionally used to soothe digestive issues and relieve symptoms of indigestion. It may also have a cooling effect and provide a relief from headaches or congestion when used as an herbal tea or an aromatherapy. And there you have it, the delightful cotton candy mint, a beautiful and aromatic addition to any garden or herb collection. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting plant profiles and gardening tips. Happy gardening!